Another day, another story. Earth is our home, a remarkable and diverse planet that has fascinated scientists and explorers for centuries. From its intricate ecosystems to its complex geology, here are the top 10 facts about Earth that showcase its uniqueness and importance in our universe. Number 1. Third rock from the Sun. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system, situated at just the right distance to support life as we know it. This ideal positioning is referred to as the Goldilocks zone. Number 2. Water. Water everywhere. Approximately 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, primarily in the form of oceans, making our planet distinctively blue from space. Number 3. The blue planet. Earth is often referred to as the blue planet because of its oceans, which contain 97.5% of the Earth's water. Only a small fraction, about 2.5%, is freshwater. Number 4. Diverse ecosystems. Earth's diverse ecosystems support an estimated 8.7 million species of life, though many more remain undiscovered. From the depths of the ocean to the highest mountains, life has adapted to nearly every corner of our planet. Number 5. Mountains and oceans. Earth boasts the highest peak, Mount Everest, which rises 29,032 feet, 8,849 meters, above sea level, and the deepest point, the Mariana Trench, which reaches a depth of about 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters. Number 6. Dynamic geology. Our planet's surface is constantly changing. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and the shifting of tectonic plates all contribute to its dynamic geology. Number 7. Green lungs. Forests, often called the lungs of the Earth, play a crucial role in regulating the planet's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Number 8. Earth's moon. Earth's moon is the fifth largest in the solar system and is essential for stabilizing the planet's rotation and influencing tides. Number 9. Protective magnetic field. Earth has a magnetic field generated by its core that shields the planet from harmful solar radiation, making it suitable for life. Number 10. Cradle of Civilization. Earth is the only known planet to support human life. It has been home to countless civilizations, cultures, and societies throughout history, shaping the course of our species. These facts about Earth emphasize the remarkable and intricate nature of our home planet. Studying and protecting Earth's environment is essential for preserving the rich diversity of life and maintaining the well-being of all its inhabitants. Thanks for watching.